Hazrat Ali described about positive thinking as Husnul Zanni min afzali sajaya. Positive thinking is the best habit. Az-zannu sawabu min shiyami ulil albab. Positive thinking is included in the habits of the wise men. Husnul zanne yukhafiful ham. Positive thinking lightens the grief and sorrow. He said, Man zanna bika khairan fasaddiku zannahu. Whoever has a good opinion of you, prove his opinion correct. He said, if there is a good side to someone's speech, then don't think badly about him. He mentioned, Laysa minal adil kaza'u ala sikkati bizan. It isn't justice to decide mere thought. Man waza'a nafsahu mawazit tohamati fala yalu manna man asa'a behi zan. One who goes to notorious place, and if anyone allege him, then he should not say bad to the accuser. Hazrat Ali was asked, Mal farku bainal haqqi wal batil. What is the difference between right and false? Faqala. He answered, Mara'athu aynaka fahuwal haq. Whatever you see is true. Wama sami'athu uzunaka fa aksarhu batil. And whatever your ears listen are often fictitious.